so.
How come it don't come in PLP with me? Down at the meter no more. How come he turn off the TV and he hangs this sign on the door? We call it, we call. How come we say what could make a boy behave this way? He's alert to all of the lines now. Every time he don't stutter when he talks. It's true. He sure has a quiet, cool and uninspired sort of jazz when he walks. Wears his jacket and his old blue jeans. This ain't healthy, this is some kind of clean. Nothing. Chuck is in love. Chuck is in love. Chuck is in love. Chuck is in love. I don't believe what you're saying to me. This is something I have to see. Is he here? Look in the pool hall. Is he here? Look in the drugstore. Is he here? No, he don't come here no more. I tell you what, I saw him. He was sitting behind us when we was at the Pantages. You know, whatever it is, he's got up his sleeve. I hope it wasn't contagious.